Look at that Honda 85 model year.
You're good. Luke. All right, I know this video is long overdue because we've been talking about this project for a while, and it's actually been done. We just getting around to doing a video on it. I'll go in more depth later into a more in-depth video of everything that we did to it. Right now, I'm just doing a quick walk around. This is the first time he's ridden it since he did all this, so I figured I'd at least get the first maiden voyage. So what all did you do to it, Luke? Basically redid everything?
Yep.
Cool. It looks good. You say it's not running that great or what?
No, it's not.
Does it have stale gas?
Yeah. Helmet.
Already got it all dirty. Oh, you got a screw coming loose right here.
Oh, shit.
You sure it's not leaking antifreeze because that skid plate's a little wet? Again, this is the first maiden voyage, so we're kind of working some bugs out. Kickstarter's still rattling a little bit.
What?
I know you rebuilt the Kickstarter, it's still rattling.
Oh, that's bad. Look at that bolt.
Just found that. Starting to get blown out a little bit. So was it worth all that money you spent on it, Luke?
Yes. It's still a four-wheeler.
How much you want for it?
I don't know. $1,500.
So if anybody's looking for a nice Banshee, $1,500, he said he'll let it go. All right, that was just a quick little preview. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to do a more in-depth video at some point when we have somewhere better to ride it. It's a little dusty right now around here, and it's not really the best spot to ride this, but hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.